Social media marketing budgets are projected to double over the next 5 years, and as budgets continue to grow, so does the demand for skilled social media professionals. My name's Callum Brannan and welcome to Become a Social Media Manager, written and produced by the lovely people at SoMe Academy. A very warm welcome to anybody that is new to one of our courses, and welcome back indeed to any of our existing students. Thank you for joining us again. In this course, we will explore how to become a social media manager and grow a successful business which could be operated from home, on a beach in the Bahamas, or even on the moon. In fact, with this business, we believe you could work part-time hours and achieve the income of somebody working full-time. But of course, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a business that requires hard work and dedication. And the more time you put in, the more money you'll get back. So who am I? As I already mentioned, I'm Callum Brannan, and you can get me at Callum Brannan on Twitter. I started out in the world of social media and business when I was just 15. And to keep a secret between me and you, that gives me about 11 years of experience in social media and 8 years of that in running my own social media management company. I've won a few awards. I wouldn't like to brag, but a couple of them are listed on screen. And if you haven't seen enough of me already on video, there's a big picture of me there. Throughout this course, we're going to use a mixture of my voice, doing voiceovers, a couple of videos like this, and also some interviews with other industry people. So it's not just me who you're getting all this lovely, juicy information from. Well, as I mentioned, I've been working in social media for a long time. And I started my journey by starting a social media network from my bedroom, and I grew it to over 500,000 users. This gave me an amazing insight into the world and how it was changing, specifically around social media and digital technologies. I've had the pleasure and the pain of growing my own social media management company here in the UK, and I'm also a social media software entrepreneur. So I have had the joy of working with some of the biggest brands and organisations around. They include everyone from police forces to brands like Cadbury, Costco, Mercedes-Benz, Team GB during the London 2012 Olympic Games, which was probably the world's first social media Olympic Games, and my background spans both small and large businesses. The key theme that I've tend to find out over the years is that every business needs to know something about social media, and this is one of the main reasons why I created the Social Media Academy last year. But even for small business owners, time is a huge obstacle, and getting social media right can be difficult. And this is why we're going to teach you to become a social media manager from home and create your own business to help some of those businesses, organisations and charities. At the SoMe Academy, we already teach 15,000 students. Our courses have taken months to develop, and we have rave 5-star reviews across the board. We spend days every month tweaking our content, and specifically and importantly, we respond to our students. This course doesn't just take our personal experiences, but we have also conducted interviews, market research, and commission surveys to ensure our findings mirror the industry norms, and also provide you with different points of view so you can decide which tactics best fit your plans along your journey. During this course on becoming a social media manager, we're going to look at the fundamentals and of course a few home truths. You will learn how to make the most of skills you're probably already utilising on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to talk you through case studies and interviews with people who have already started their own business or who now work as social media managers within organisations. We'll look at the proposition of a social media management business to understand what it does and why people need to outsource their social media management to people like me and you. I'll present you with the blueprint, documents and accompanying strategies that will help you achieve success in your business and of course then results for your clients. We'll look at finding your target customers, and then once we've found them, we'll look how to reach out to them. We'll look at the actual product offering and how to price your services, your competition, and then how to really superpower what you do. Now, to finish off this introductory lecture, I just want to quickly and briefly talk about how you can get support. Now, obviously you're buying lifetime access to this course and things do change over time, and we try our hardest to keep on top of those changes. But if you have a specific question, you might want to try one of three ways. The quickest way is to tweet me using Twitter, and my username is @CallumBrennan, and I'll endeavour to get back to you as quick as I can, depending on what I'm doing at that exact moment when that tweet comes through. The formal way, and the way that means the whole community can see your questions and answers, and it might help other people, and you might even get answers from other people who've done this course and found the answers themselves, is to use the Udemy discussion functionality. And generally we monitor this Monday to Friday, and it sometimes takes us a couple of hours to respond. And don't forget, we're based in the UK, so we're on GMT time. So if you're writing a request in the evening, we might be fast asleep. And again, we'll try to reply within a couple of hours. Now, another way is that I don't mind receiving the odd email. I think it gives us a bit more time to respond. If you have a bit more of a private question, or you don't want the whole community to see it, you can email me. Now, this isn't the official way I like to respond, and caveat could be that I might be on holiday, so try Twitter and the Udemy discussion functionality, but do email him if you need to, and I will try to respond within 72 hours. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy the course.